Costume. Receiving or creating your costume for the first time can be really exciting. Make sure you use it to enforce your character. Maybe it's a full skirt to show the time period that your character is living in. Maybe she physically uses it, has to lift it as she moves. Maybe it's an apron, a jacket, trousers, overalls. Really use these costumes, get used to them, make them part of your character. There's nothing worse than fiddling with your costume and breaking that character, or corpsing. If you don't know what corpsing is, pop over to my corpsing video. So don't break character, use that costume to enforce and to help you create that character even more. Now, if you don't have a costume and you are just performing in rehearsal blacks or school uniform or casual clothes, make sure you don't detract from these. If they're sort of supposed to be barely there, non-existent, not important, again, don't fiddle with them. Don't allow yourself to break character. If your character's shy, by all means, use the sleeves like this. But if that's just you, or you're sort of pulling something because it's not very comfortable, don't do it. Only touch your costume in the way in which your character would.